In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 newest mobile accessories you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on performance, features and price. I've included options for every type of user, so whether you're looking for a budget or a more premium accessories, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with cell phone stand and tablet holder. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung cell phone, tablet, iPad, Nintendo Switch and Kindle. Simple and compact, easy to install. Saiji tablet phone holder fashionable design makes your desktop well organized. There are 5 reasons to choose our cell phone stand. Wide compatibility. 2-in-1 phone stand is compatible with iPhone, Android, and iPad devices, measuring between 4 and 10 inches screen. Adjustable. Ergonomic design give you a comfortable viewing angle so you don't need to twist and turn your neck all the time. Hollow design. The maximum hollow size is 4.3 inches, which makes it easy to charge your device. You can watch videos or read while charging. Sturdy enough. With exquisite aluminum alloy body and metal weighted anti-slip base, this phone holder can hold your devices more steadily and easily. Tap the screen without worrying the phone will tip over or fall off. Rubber protection. This phone stands have fully covered silicone pads, making it impossible to scratch your devices and helps big time for bigger and heavier tablets from accidentally skidding off the stand. Modern aluminum alloy design matches very well with your expensive wooden or glass desks, makes your desktop well organized. The stand series is designed for your everyday life, and we are building a stand series that includes a tablet stand, a desk, a laptop stand, and a monitor stand. Hot shoe adapter for DJI Mobile is compatible with DJI Mobile 3 and 4. With this O-ring clamp for DJI Mobile 3, you can mount the video microphone and LED light or other accessories on your DJI Mobile 3 via cold shoe mounts. All parts are machined accurately out of metal, so it is sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. Because it wraps around the Mobile 3's handle like a ring, you can always install it on your Mobile 3 without having to install it every time you use it. 1 adjustable red locking wing nut for quick install and remove. Inside of the O-ring there are pads to prevent it from scratching the DJI Mobile gimbal stabilizer. Please follow the steps shown in picture to install the clamp ring on the stabilizer. This is the most comfortable solution. You can also install the red knob side on the rear if you like. We recommend that you use it with a tripod. The tripod acts as an extension handle. Note: Mobile 3 gimbal and microphone and video light are not included. It also works with DJI Mobile 1 and Mobile 2. Cell phone UVC light sanitizer for iPhone Android phone with built-in wireless charging. This phone cleaner device can eliminate hidden in crevices that cleaning wipes can't reach. With the phone cleaner case can effectively cleans your device quickly in 3 minutes. Protect yourself and stay healthy by keeping your phone clean regularly. Compatible with cell phones and smartphones up to 7.76 inches, for iPhone X, XS, XR, XS, Max, 8, 7, 6, 5s and SE, for Samsung Galaxy S7, Note 5, and LG G3. Great for iPods, MP3 players, wireless Bluetooth earphones, etc. Just put essential oil, not included, on the aromatherapy inlet. Press aromatherapy switch to start having aroma humidifier for your device, so it can clear the smells. This phone cleaner makes it easy to take with you, wherever you go, hotel, school or restaurant. Plug in the charging port, put the smartphone into the cleaner case, touch the button, and clean it in 3 minutes, easy to keep you safe indoor. This phone cleaner case is an ideal gift for any occasion. It shows care and love to the person you care about. They will immediately fall in love with this cleaning device. Note: do not look directly at the tube to avoid damages for your eyes. I bought this product to put my face mask in, and it works well. I obviously don't have the ability to test how well it disinfects, but I put a drop of spearmint or peppermint oil in the diffuser slot and it freshens up the mask for when I wear it. Besides the disinfection function, the wireless charging function works great. I can see how it would work well to put it away at night on a nightstand. Cell phone camera lens kit, universal zoom telephoto with wide angle. This is 11-in-1 most complete mobile camera lens kit. Phone camera lens kit is perfect for exploring more advanced mobile photography and videography. Includes 8 lenses, 22 times telephoto lens, wide angle lens, macro lens, fisheye lens, kaleidoscopes, 4-line star filter and CPL filter. Includes Bluetooth remote control, universal clip, tripod, eye-cup, and a storage bag. 22 times optical zoom can take clear pictures from a long distance. The tripod support provided by it can make the phone as powerful as a SLR long focal lens. With a remote shutter, it's easy to shoot. Note: devices using 2 cameras, such as iPhone double camera, need to be installed on the main camera, the camera on the left, to shoot, without the need for covering 2 cameras. Can effectively increase the shooting range of 50% to 90%, suitable for portraits and landscape photography, captures a wide range of scenes with excellent resolution and clarity. The effective focusing distance is 2 to 3 centimeters, shooting tiny objects, discover the beauty of detail. It's perfect for shooting close-ups of insects, jewelry, coins, plants, etc. The fisheye lens captures large scenes and provides a circular aquarium effect for your images. This will take you into a stunning fantasy world. Cell phone signal booster for home and office, 4G LTE band 12, 13, and 17 dual band mobile phone signal repeater amplifier. The signal booster cell service provider is compatible with Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, US Cellular and Straight Talk. The specified operating frequency is 700 MHz, band 12 to 17. The frequency range, uplink 777 to 787 MHz, downlink 746 to 756 MHz. That means, your cell phone currently operating frequency should be the same as the cell boosters, so the booster can trigger signals connected properly between the cell tower and cell phone. The cell phone booster repeater amplifier kit aimed at solving your poor 4G network problem and cell reception. It improves your phone 4G data and enhances calling voice quality. No longer missed and dropped calls. Enjoy a faster internet. Recommended for using at home, office, basement, garage, village, suburbs, stores, and remote areas. Support multiple users and devices. One booster supports multiple users and devices simultaneously. Enjoy your time with your family and friends. Clear voice and high-speed data. Better cell phone voice quality. Faster uploads and downloads datas. Get fewer missed calls. Solid cell reception and auto gain control. Make your cellular signal connection stronger and stable. The booster can improve and control GN for better performance. Wide cell coverage. The mobile signal amplifier's coverage range can up to 1500 to 2000 square foot.